everyone, welcome back to Digital Chat Tech. I actually did a full review video for this. This is the Zhiyun Smooth 5S. I got the combo kit, so I got the extra light here, which I love. You're going to see all that in a second, because I already made a review video for this, and I decided to wait a little while, because I wanted to make sure that it lived up to, like, you know me, I get excited about this stuff, and I just got all fanboy, let's just say. So, the one thing I wanted to say after using this for a month is it had, I found in the software, I forget what software, something called run mode. And with run mode, I got super smooth video with this. Like, I didn't even see my step bounce. I don't know how they did that. I ran after my dogs. I'm a big guy. When I run, I bounce. So I really like that about this. And it's just a great all-around gimbal. Like, it's fun. It's gonna say a little bit slower than this, but I'm not here to compare these two. If you want to see the Zhiyun compared to the DJI, drop a comment below. Here is my original video. Hope you enjoy it, because it was originally 40 minutes long. So it's a little different style than I usually do. I did a lot of cutting. So without getting into any deeper, because I'm just going to repeat anything I say in my original video, here's my original video. Alright everyone, I have the Smooth 5 combo kit here. Okay, so the slide with the gimbal on it is the side. And then of course inside, I got the combo case. And here's the Smooth 5. Nice little double zipper case with this. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Oh, that is a nice size gimbal. Up top, what do we got here? Up top we have the VIP card, and I think that's just a silica packet. And first thing I'm going to pull out is the little tripod. That'll be good for the base. So the combo kit comes with a light and a filter. I believe this is an additional light. Oh, nice little magnetic filters. I believe that's magnetic too. USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Of course, this is surprisingly light for how big it is. Oh, I love that wheel. Nice clicky buttons. Back we have a lock. It's currently locked. The USB-C charging port and the trigger. For the lights on the top and the bottom, another light right there. Cool. This is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is a big honkin' phone. I spent a week after unboxing this to get to know it. I can say this is a great gimbal, but let's start at the beginning. I use this mostly in portrait mode, which I would set up for. If you want landscape mode, you just turn that sideways. I prefer this. I'll show you why I don't even turn it into landscape mode. And that's not coming out. That is absolutely not coming out. So then I unlock the first motor, which is closest to the phone. And once I see I have plenty of room with that, I unlock the second one. And these just are simple. They just a little bit of force. If you're using a lot of force, you're turning it the wrong way. Then the third lock is down here on the handle. You hit that, and that unlocks the 360 motion, which is what I love about this gimbal, is that 360 motion. You have to make sure it's balanced. So you hold this, and you make sure it's balanced. If not, there's this great little knob here, and you just undo that, you get it balanced, screw it back in. So easy to do. That's going to save your motors, and also make the gimbal work to its best performance. If it's not balanced, it's going to be struggling, and you're not going to get your best footage. So always make sure to do the balance, and if you switch between landscape and portrait mode, definitely do the balance every time. Actually, it's just good practice. Do the balance every time. Okay, so it starts in pan follow mode, which keeps the phone perfectly horizontal, but allows you to look around. So it follows the pan. Then you have L, which is like a linear mode. And for this, it keeps it up and down, but it always looks forward. Like, I can go over here, still looking over there. I can go over here, it's looking over there. And then we have follow mode, which you can actually tilt down and up, but you still have no roll. You have all the other axes, but no roll. And now once you get into point of view mode, you have a lot of roll. And this is where you get your fake drone footage. You put it on a big stick and you roll it around, and kind of fun. I'm still learning all this stuff, so I have no idea how I'm going to use this stuff. I do a lot of just stuff with my dogs, hiking, and with my family. Now this last mode, vertigo mode, you'll notice that it went up like that. That's because you shoot this footage like this, and you can use the joystick. The nice thing is, all these modes, you switch between them with the mode button right here, and it's so easy to do. One click to cycle through forwards, double click to cycle through backwards. Awesome, this comes in the kit. This made the kit worth it. That's a fill light. That's a fill light. And that's a fill light. Now, I'm gonna try not to blind you. I'm gonna turn it on. That's not too bright, is it? You take the wheel, you turn it up, and it gets plenty bright. A little too bright. The nice thing in your camera, when you're actually recording, you can dial it down. Fully adjustable fill lights. Awesome. This fits on standard tripods here and also on the side. Let me show you why I don't really use landscape mode. Because I go like this. I started on the ground going like this, and I just gently came up. And I think I like holding it this way. I've gotten used to this. Oh, and this joystick is very responsive. So right now I have it on full speed. See how it goes around? But then I can do a soft touch. And I love the soft touch. Alright, so there's two pieces of software that are companions to this gimbal, and one is ZY Cami. That's the basic one. There's Stacam, S-T-A-C-A-M, which is the advanced one. And when you're in Stacam, that's when you press this button and you can switch between zoom and focus. You can start with something out of focus and slowly bring it in cinematically. Of course, trigger turns back to the front. I love that. Also, if you hold the trigger, it goes into like a sport mode. Triple tap, I know. Triple tap goes into selfie mode. This is a really good gimbal. I have really appreciated this past week. Let's see if this works. 1, 2. I love that. I absolutely love that. You can see there's a USB port there. You can plug your phone into it and charge your phone while you're recording, which is just a nice little added feature, especially if you're not recording and you need a phone battery, you have one with you. This slides really nice into my backpack, and I don't know if you caught that where I moved it and it stayed, but if you have this on a tripod and you're looking really quick and you want to look in a different direction, count to 2. But there are some advanced features in the app that you have to pay for, and when I just looked, it was $20 for the year, which is not bad. If you buy the kit with the case, you get the VIP card, which gives you a free year of that stuff. Okay, the only bad thing about the software, the tracking, but this is with any gimbal out there. I've tried them. It'll lose you if you move too fast. It's mostly for some slow tracking, but right now there's nothing that really does it. One thing I do like about the tracking, and I tried this, is while I was walking around, I did a slow circle. I put this on a tripod in the middle of the room, I did a slow circle, and it followed me all the way around. That 360, not only just for the vortex mode, but just in general, is a game changer. And I love how far that just went down too. I gotta tell you, I'm gonna use this on my desk behind me for recording reviews of smaller things like earbuds and stuff, because I can literally put this on a tripod over and tilt it down and get the perfect shot. So, the Zhiyun Smooth 5S kit with the case. What did I do with the case? With this beautiful case. So, case is great for storing it so you don't get dust in your motors and stuff, but at the same time, it fits right in my backpack. I mean, it slides right in there when it's folded up and locked. I have no problems with this. So, I could definitely recommend this gimbal. So that's it. That's all I got for you right now concerning this gimbal. I love the white too. My camera's white. I don't know why. I prefer white because I find in the summer things that are black tend to overheat. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S. Definitely worth giving it a try. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later.